how to list products from CJ Dropshipping to TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to list products coming from CJ Dropshipping into your TikTok store very easily by doing a dropshipping business model. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently we currently have our TikTok shop over here, our seller center, together with our CJ Dropshipping over here, and we're first going to establish a connection between CJ Dropshipping and TikTok Shop, of course, so that we will be able to list products from CJ Dropshipping. So what we're going to do, of course, you need to have to log into your CJ Dropshipping account, and you're going to look over here on the left side. On the left side, this is where you will be able to find the main tools. You have your Find Product section, the Cart section, the Products, Listing Products, Store Products, Listing Records, and Inventory section, the different orders, sourcing like packaging, print on demand, other features. And over here, you have a store with a check icon, which is showing us, or it's going to show us the list of all the different platforms we will be able to connect today. And as you can notice, there is TikTok Shop over here. You might notice that there is a TikTok Shop US and a TikTok Shop that has no specific country. So that basically means that the TikTok Shop that we can connect with, or if you're a country that has a TikTok Shop that is not from the US, you will be able to connect it with TikTok Shop, because back then you're only able to connect with TikTok Shop US. That's the limitation of this. But now we are now able to connect TikTok Shop, our normal TikTok Shop, even if I'm not from the US, even if the store is not from the US, we will now able to be connecting each other. So simply select TikTok Shop over here, which will redirect us to the page where we will be able to handle and manage the interaction between these two platforms. So over here, simply click on Add Store. As you can see here, there will be a note on what you need to do. This is very important because as you can see here, you need to set up your CJ Dropshipping return warehouse, shipping and return warehouse in your TikTok management platform. So that is something you would need to set up, as you can see here. Since the warehouse and the return warehouse would be different, because in your TikTok shop, of course, it would be your normal address, the address that you would like people to return and get the product from. Since you want to connect it with CJ Dropshipping, and it's going to be a dropshipping where you will not be handling any of the products, you are not going to be getting the inventory. The CJ Dropshipping will be the one who will handle everything. So this is a very important step. So over here in TikTok Shop, you're basically just going to look for the shipping options over here. Oh, it's not this section. It's under account setting, and it should be under warehouse settings over here. So I'm not going to show you guys this section. Oops. But anyway, it should be there. It should be under the warehouse section, because as you can see, this is where you will be able to configure your warehouse, inventory, storage, and shipping preferences. I won't be showing you guys because that would expose and show the current address registered to it, since I have not connected it yet, but that is a step that you would need to do. Although you could do it later on, that is, you need to do this as soon as possible before you launch anything on your store. And as you can see here, a default address will be generated after your orders are synced, which cannot be modified. So keep that in mind as well. They will be the one generating shipping labels and delivering the package as well according to the real address. And for orders whose address are outside the UK, importing orders manually or via Excel is recommended. So let's click on OK to proceed. So it will then show us the next step, which is authorizing the connection. As you can see, you can notice that it will automatically open TikTok Shop Seller Center for us. Now you're simply going to select the specific region that you guys are in. So for me, I'm going to select Philippines over here. Since the account that I'm using is from the Philippines, make sure that you use or select the region, the account of the shop, the location of that shop it is created in. And as you can see, we are redirected over here to CJ Dropshipping in the App Store. Now, right now for me, it's reauthorized, but for you guys, it should be install. And we're going to click on confirm over here, confirm to install. There we go, and we're going to authorize it. As you can see, basic information. Click on authorize. And you will be able to authorize the connection. As you can see, authorize. And we will be redirected and set back to CJ Dropshipping. Now, it depends on how your TikTok shop is set up. It is fully verified. There's nothing you need to add. There's nothing that you need to handle. Like, for example, tax payments, stuff like that. It will successfully connect. But as you can see, it will allow me right now. There's a message. I couldn't show you guys the message, but there's a reason why I can't connect it right now. It is a reason that comes with the current state of the TikTok shop, because this is not a running and functional TikTok shop. It's just a TikTok shop that has yet to exist. But for you guys, if you are able to successfully handle all the information, you will be able to connect it through the way that I have showed you. And the next step is to simply look for a product that you want to sell in TikTok. So for example, maybe this slippers over here. It looks nice. It's something. So what you're going to do is you're just going to open it on another tab, just like this one. And you will be able to see all the necessary information that you want. And then you could see over here at the bottom, you have the option list. So simply click on list, which will list that specific product to the store selection that you have over here. So these are some random stores. So if you were successfully able to connect your TikTok, it should appear in this list over here, and then you're going to select that. And then you're going to select the product type over here and all the other information. And then you're simply going to click on list now. For the categories, I'm not sure where that is located. There's a variant pricing over here. You have to manage all of this, like the your own pricing. You could use recommended listing pricing, all of those things, image, videos, and everything else. You need to set them up one by one, and then you will be able to list now. When you list it now, you will be able to have it appear on your store under product list over here. So when you manage your products, it's, I think, going to appear first under the reviewing section, because of course, people in TikTok will review that product, whether it's a product allowed to be sold in the TikTok platform. So it's going to be reviewed before anything else. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.